Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use graphic templates in Premiere Pro, also known as MOGRT files, and how to import your own custom ones. Let's get started. Motion graphic templates are pre-made animations like titles, lower thirds, transitions or effects that you can drop right into your projects and customize them. They're perfect if you want professional looking motion graphics without having to animate them yourself. To use them, open the Essential Graphics panel and here you have graphic templates. Here you can browse many different graphic templates that you can just drag and drop into your timeline. Find one that you like and drag it onto your timeline. Click on it to edit the properties. Here you can change the text, the colors and even the transform options, so you can place it anywhere you want on the screen. As you can see, graphic templates are great at improving the quality of your videos. Now, if you downloaded a custom template, importing it is super simple. Go up to Graphics and Titles and select Install Motion Graphics Template. And here in the Finder, you can find an MOGRT file, and when you have it selected, just press Open. And it will be added to your Essential Graphics panel. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.